Hello everyone, this is Mr. Pankaj Kumar. Today I am going to teach you about articles, which is very important to the students who wants a lot of knowledge and get more and more knowledge about English grammar. Before knowing the English grammar, you will have to first know about the articles. And today I would like to introduce about articles, that what is articles and how to use articles. Articles means agripad. Articles means agripad. In modern English grammar means आधुनिक अंग्रेजी व्याकरण में आर्टिकल्स को डिटरमाइनर्स के अंतर्गत रखा गया है. इन मॉडर्न इंग्लिश ग्रामर में आर्टिकल्स को डिटरमाइनर्स के अंतर्गत रखा गया है, which you read in higher classes about determiners in details. But today I am going to teach you and teaching you about articles, so you will have to listen carefully. And what am I teaching you? That listen carefully, please try to understand. And what am I teaching you? And what do I mean to say? मॉडर्न इंग्लिश ग्रामर में आर्टिकल्स को डिटरमाइनर्स के अंतर्गत रखा गया है. एंड द फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ आर्टिकल्स A and these are two groups. These are divided into two groups. A and the को articles कहा जाता है. A and the are called articles. In English language, A or the are called articles. यानी कि A and और the को articles कहा जाता है, means अग्रपद कहा जाता है. इन द सेकेंड पॉइंट, जिसमें ए एन को इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल कहा जाता है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज विच इज इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल एंड विच इज इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल. दैट आई एम टीचिंग यू अबाउट आर्टिकल एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ कैन यू रिकॉग्नाइज आर्टिकल्स ए एंड एन. दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल. A or an is called indefinite article, and after that the is rest. The is definite article. The is called, that means it is said to be definite article. The is definite article. A and an indefinite article. But after that, this is very important for the students, how to use and how to pronounce of the articles. How to pronounce of the articles. That means articles का उच्चारण कैसे किया जाता है. For English grammar, students always get in suspicion himself. So I want to clear that today. So I want to clear that how to speak a and the, how to pronounce a and the articles. Articles a and the. These are the articles. That's clear. And after that, we have to know forms and sounds. Forms and sounds. Sorry, forms and sounds. Forms means sound. How to use a and the. Weak forms. In weak forms, a is pronounced a. In weak forms, an is pronounced an, and the is pronounced the. In strong forms, A is pronounced A and the. For example, I am speaking to anyone. I am speaking to anyone, and if I have to use of the articles while speaking English, that whenever I want to speak English, I have to use only one weak forms, because it's easily to speak by everyone. It's easily to speak by everyone. So we always use weak sounds of the articles. A, an, the. For example, suppose that I want to introduce myself. I am Mr. I am a boy. I am a boy. And she is an actor. She is an actor. For example, I am a boy. A. This is weak sound of the article. And next